Hello friends, welcome to Codes Laboratory. In this session, we will try to write a code which will identify whether the number is prime or not. So before going forward, let's just try to understand what are the prime numbers. So the prime numbers is the number which can be divided by 1 or by itself. As you can see, I have written some of the prime numbers on my screen like 2. 2 is the only even prime number. After that, all the prime number will be the odd like 3. 3 can be divided by 3 only, and 7 same as it is, it can only be divided by 7. You can see 11, this can also be divided by itself, and so on. 13, 17, 23, 29, 31, and so on. So let's just try to write a code which will identify whether our number is prime or not. So to do that, first we will have to create main method. Okay, so now we'll be required to create one integer type variable number which will be using to assign the number, and later on we will check whether this number is prime or not. So initially I will assign value 10 in this, and we will create one more variable of boolean type, and I will name it as flag, and initially will add false in this. Okay, so let's just write a code which will identify whether the number is prime or not. So over here, please be careful. You can see I have initialized the I with 2. Later on I will explain you why I have initialized this with 2 rather than 0 or 1. And let's go. I will be less than number I plus plus. So let's just remove the space. And okay, so after creating the for loop, we need to check if the number can be divided by the I or not. So to check that, we will create one if condition, and number divided by I. If this will be equal to 0, then the number will be not a prime number. So the flag will be false, and once will be get this condition true, we will break the loop. Okay, so what if the remainder is not equals to 0? Then we will place it flag is equals to true. So as you can see, I haven't used break here because sometimes it happens like else block will be called. Like in this case, when value of I will be 3, the else block will be called. But after the I value will be changed to 5, it will again go to the if block and the condition will be false. That's why I haven't used break here. So after that, we will create another if condition, and if flag is true, then we will print number is a prime number, else number is not a prime number. So let's just try to execute this, and to save this, now let's execute. Okay, so you can see 10 is not a prime number. Let's try to add some another number like 28, and let's see the output. Okay, so it says 28 is not a prime number. Let's just try some of this number which will return us the prime. Let's write 37. Okay, so it says 37 is the prime number. Let's check some another number like 101 whether it is prime or not. Let's just take a look. Okay, it says 101 is a prime number. Okay, let's try one more. 111. What it says? It says 111 is not a prime number. Okay, so as this 111 is divided by 3, and the remainder and the value will be, I guess, 37. Yes, if we will multiply 3 with 37, the 111 will be the answer. So okay, so now I just wanted to tell you like why I have initialized this number with 2. So as I have already told you, like 0 and 1 is not a prime number, so our code should fulfill that condition. That why I have started this loop with 2. It means if the value of I is lesser than number, then only this loop will start executing. And if you will pass 1 here, so as we know, the 1 is not a prime number, so see, it replies 1 is not a prime number. And let's just try for 0 also. Okay, so you can see, so this was the reason I have started my I with 2. So this was all for this session, and soon we'll be back with another piece of code. Till then, please stay tuned and happy learning.